A new and more infectious strain of the coronavirus, first discovered in the United Kingdom, has been spreading quickly to other parts of the world, prompting movement restrictions to Britain by many countries. Now, in this video, we find out what makes the virus more transmissible than the earlier predominant strain and what we can do to protect ourselves. Now, how does the new coronavirus spread? That's the big question. What we do understand so far is that the new variant tends to spread more easily than the earlier predominant strain of the virus, even in the same environments. The route of infection, that is via large and small droplets and tiny aerosolized particles adrift in crowded indoor spaces, that remains the same. How much more infectious is this virus really? The new variant's reproduction or R number has risen significantly. The R number indicates the number of people one infected person can pass on a particular disease to. The UK's latest R number has been estimated at between 1.1 and 1.3, which means a COVID patient with the new strain may pass the infection on to more than one person. So what makes this virus more infectious? As of now, large-scale studies are being conducted to understand what makes this virus more transmissible, and for now, the most plausible theory is that the mutations that it has undergone helps it infect human cells more easily. Also, some preliminary studies suggest that people who are infected with this virus tend to carry much more virus load in their noses and throats, so when they cough or sneeze or talk or sing or breathe, they expel the virus onto surfaces and into the air around them, thus causing more infections. So, what precautions should you take against this new variant? The precautions for the new strain are no different from what we take for the older one. So, face covers and social distancing and hand and respiratory hygiene should work against this variant as well.